Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today we're comparing two top-performing processors, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 75700X. Make sure to like this video, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's dive into the comparison. The AMD Ryzen 75700X takes the lead in this category with a price of $183, while the Intel Core i9-12900K comes in at a higher price point of $427. If budget is a concern, the Ryzen 75700X is definitely the way to go. Both processors offer top-level performance, with the Intel Core i9-12900K showing an advantage in short access times with its 30 megabytes of L3 cache memory. However, the AMD Ryzen 75700X boasts 8 cores and 16 processing threads, which make it an excellent choice for gaming and multitasking. The Intel Core i9-12900K features the Intel 7 architecture, which makes it power-efficient, while the AMD Ryzen 75700X is based on AMD's Zen 3 Feet architecture, which allows for ultra-fast 100+ FPS performance in popular games, discrete graphics card required. Both processors deliver cutting-edge performance in their own right. The AMD Ryzen 75700X comes unlocked for overclocking, while the Intel Core i9-12900K does not. This means Ryzen 7 processors can be pushed beyond their clock speed limits, providing users with higher performance levels. Intel does have a built-in feature called Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 to boost clock speeds, but it's not the same as true overclocking. Both processors are top-of-the-line performers with their unique strengths. The Intel Core i9-12900K has exceptional cache memory, while the AMD Ryzen 75700X offers excellent price-to-performance ratio and overclocking capabilities. Ultimately, it comes down to your budget and specific use case. We hope you enjoyed the comparison. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.